Oh shit! I just drew
Okay.
a parallel between the both of us. Yeah, it's. I think it's a very alpha thing.
Okay. All right. When a rumor on you is on social media, when something about you is on social media, and that is completely untrue.
I haven't heard any rumors about me. I would want to start a few.
And what would that be?
Uh, I don't know that I'm very arrogant and I have a lot of air about myself. Yeah, these kind of rumors work. It spreads quickly and people want to believe that the new kid on the block is getting very arrogant just because the show worked. Yeah, that's a nice rumor to start.
Okay. All right. Our next segment is my first. So you have to tell me your first, maybe your audition or vacation and stuff like
Okay,
that. So first is my first holiday
my first,
that you sponsored for yourself.
my personal first, like me alone on a holiday like that, maybe. Uh, I don't think I remember. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Memorable holiday बता दीजिए
Most
कोई.
memorable holiday would be my solo trip to Kashmir.
Okay. First audition.
First audition was for a film, uh, and yeah, that didn't quite go well.
Oh, all right. First proposal.
I never got proposed all my life. It's just the saddest part of being me.
Okay.
Like I'm talking about
First.
Instagram वाला मत लेना. Instagram पे आता है मेरे को, but not like a one-on-one. Somebody says, "Hey, I love you. You're very nice.
हाँ.
Be my boyfriend." Nobody does that.
Okay. Maybe because you just walk away if a girl flirts with you.
No, I would. I said I would talk. I said I would talk, and then I'd
अच्छा.
assess the situation. And
Okay. Your first paycheck.
my first paycheck was when I was working for Idea Cellular, long, 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 long ago. I think some 300 years ago, and yeah, that was my first paycheck.
Okay. क्या किया था उन पैसों से कुछ याद है? Because it was your first salary.
I just went and I bought shoes. I was very fond of basketball, and I still am. And the entire focus of my life was to buy shoes, basketball shoes, and I still do it. Even if I don't play, I still have shoes. So yeah, I just love basketball shoes.
Okay. First crush in Bollywood.
First crush in Bollywood would be Madhuri Dixit and Raveena Tandon.
Okay. First proud moment in front of your parents.
First proud moment in front of my parents was when web series. Till the time I was doing web series, my parents weren't very proud of me because they couldn't show it off. But I did my last show, Raja Beta, and then everybody was calling my father like, "Aapka beta TV pe aata hai," and so he also felt swelled a little in pride. And yeah, I think finally they accepted the fact that he's doing something. So yeah, we're proud of him.
That's really sweet. First car.
I don't have a car.
Okay. First time you faced rejection.
As in with a girl or at work? I face rejection at work every day.
Any rejection you do.
See, I mean,
Remember the first
rejection with a girl would make more sense. I think class 10th, man. Oh, really?
rejection?
Maybe I was 16.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. First fan moment. First time you got recognition.
Okay, I finished. This is very weird. Huh? I don't know how it happened, but I finished Twisted 2, this web show, and it was like this long ordeal of interviews and things lined up. And by the time the show launched, I was so exhausted. The next day, I woke up pretty late and I went to a McDonald's, and the entire McDonald's came down and they're like, Aryan Mathur is in McDonald's. And I was like, oh God. They recognized me and they know the character. And I was like, shit, okay. It did do well. So yeah, that was something very elating, man. I couldn't believe that. I had to run in embarrassment because I didn't know how to react.
Okay. Okay. Also, Rahul, acting के अलावा क्या hobbies रखते हो आप? Tell us about that, because your fans would love to know also.
I think I can play the guitar a little. I can sing a little. I can also play the harmonium a little. I can play basketball. और hobbies आजकल तो hobbies बस यही है कि थोड़ा time मिल जाए तो मैं सो जाता हूँ, because that's something I desperately crave all the time. और क्या hobbies हैं? I don't really have. I think maybe reading or something.
अच्छा अच्छा, और before we wrap up, since I don't want to take much of your time, before we wrap up, अपने fans को क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. Sorry guys, I won't be able to take all your questions, but उन
I think
सभी को क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बहुत सारे compliments हैं.
because I can't. Normally don't get a chance to answer one or two questions also. So let's take
Yeah,
one.
yes, of course. Yes, of course, of course. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll just check.
You know, you know what? They don't have questions, I guess. Let's
Oh my
see.
God, say, while you were talking, a lot of compliments.
Yeah,
Come live more frequently.
I should come back.
Okay.
Okay, I will try. Oh God, man.
Uh,
We don't
a
have.
lot of proposals, Jaggi.
See, I told you.
Sneha is saying your favorite movie.
I have a lot of favorite movies, but if you want one, Vanilla Sky.
Okay. When will Vansh and Ridhima fall in love?
Why don't you watch the show, and you will get to know.
Okay. How you started your journey?
I came to Mumbai and I started auditioning.
Age.
Age, I'm not going to answer. Let that be a mystery. Let all of them believe I'm 300 years old.
Okay. Favorite color?
Favorite color is black.
Okay. एक और age का सवाल. Why are they asking your age? I don't understand.
It's something to do on. I've seen that on Instagram. They've made those memes around it. Nobody knows what the inside of a black hole looks like. Nobody knows his age. Like that kind of a meme.
Okay, give more off-screen content.
Give more awesome content. How am I supposed to do that?
Off-screen content.
Off-screen
Behind
content.
the scenes video.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah.
I'll try, yeah. I'll try. I don't take my phone to the set. I'll take it from my crew members. What's your
Which is
favorite?
your favorite song?
My favorite what?
Song.
Song. Uh, Stairway to Heaven, Led Zeppelin.
Okay.
ऐसे तो I think we'll go on and on and on. Your girlfriend name.
One question is how you manage both personality, Vansh and Rahul. I found this interesting.
Uh, you don't have to manage. You just have to realize that one of them is a fake individual who does not exist and probably exists in somebody's mind, and the other one is you, and you out and out. So when you come here, you wear these clothes, you get your hair done and your face dabbed with makeup. I think you just go and talk like Vansh. It's something imaginary in my head, and we try and embody. And you leave it here. You go back and you chill with your friends like normal people. It's not.
On that note, thank you. Yeah. Sorry to interrupt. You were saying something.
I said it's not that difficult.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Do you want to take any more questions? Because this is endless. A lot of compliments. Say sweetheart, say my name. A lot of hellos, a lot of hearts.
I'll say sweetheart and we'll wrap up, okay? Okay? I'll try. Uh, uh, Sweetheart. I can't even say it, man. I'm so bad.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was amazing talking to you. And all the best. And please take a lot of care while shooting also.
COVID.
Because, yes. and thank you so much. Hope to meet you soon in